Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Wednesday today. You know what it is? I'm going to be talking about something beauty related today, a beauty tip, a beauty hack, or a tutorial. That's what I do on Wednesdays. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to shave the face, how I shave my face, how you can also shave your face. And some of you are wondering, shave your face care. Derma, you don't have obvious facial hair. Guys, okay, that's not what it's about. Okay, so basically this particular procedure that I'm going to be doing is something that people do just to make sure that you have a more even base, and also to get rid of pitch pores that tends to be very visible under certain types of lighting, especially studio light sometimes. Okay guys, you actually have hair in more parts of your face than you think you do. For some people it's very obvious in this area here, so the space between like where your edges kind of taper off and then where your eyebrows begin. Some people have very obvious hair in this area. For some people is around here where your sideburns kind of end and they kind of fade into this part of the face. For some people is in this area. Me, the most visible hair that I have on my face is in this area here, and if you come close to me or if I've not done anything to it in months, it's so obvious. And foundation cannot even cover it. What you have to do is to get that hair off. But outside of these three areas that I've just shown you guys, you actually have hair on more parts of your face than you think. I actually forgot that sometimes the hair is very obvious in this area here, so the space between your two eyebrows. So you have more hair on your face than you think. So this shaving thing that I'm about to do is also a procedure known as dermaplaning. So basically what you do is you go in with a razor. I'm going to show you the type of razor you need to use for this to kind of just shave that hair off. But then it's not just dry shaving. So this shaving, the reason why it is called dermaplaning is because you actually exfoliate in the process. You get rid of dead skin cells as you shave. So it's not just dry shaving or the type of shaving that you just do like, just like the type that guys do with the razor blade sometimes, just really quickly. I don't know why I did quickly, just really quickly. Okay, so before I get into it really quickly, I want to first explain what you do not want to do, what you should not do. Okay, so first, you do not want to use this type of razor. So these are very common here in Nigeria. I'm going to open it up just to show you what it looks like. So you do not want to use this type of razor at all. These are very thin, very sharp on all edges, very, very dangerous. Like, you do not want to use this type of razor. You do not want that type of razor blade. You need to get this type of razor. I got this from Ebano. This particular brand called Tinkle is very, very popular. Sometimes it comes in a pack of 3. This one just has 2 in it. And these are called eyebrow razors sometimes. These are not as sharp as the other one. The way that the blade is, it's not like as fine as this one. So it gives you a lot of control when you're going at it from a particular direction. You also have a handle here that gives you easy grip. You're not holding like this thin blade. I'm just saying this because I know that the first type of blade that I showed you guys is very, very popular here in Nigeria. I don't want anybody to try this with that razor and hurt themselves and then, regret it. Please don't. Okay, so second thing, if you feel that your hands are not steady at all and that even this blade that I've shown you guys that I'm about to use is even too dangerous, then please do not do this yourself. Go to a spa. A lot of spas actually offer this as a procedure or a treatment that they do. But I think that with this type of blade, you have enough control and you can easily do this yourself. Lastly, if you have any active breakouts or pimple or any type of sores on your face, please avoid that area when you're doing this. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that I say these 3 things before starting. Moved in, I already cleansed my skin in the shower. I already washed my face. So next thing I'm going to do is to go in with a toner. This is my Bolden toner. Just going to go over my face really gently. I've seen a lot of people do this dry, like they kind of dermaplane on dry skin. If you have sensitive skin, I'd highly recommend that you don't do this. And I also highly recommend that you don't do this yourself on dry skin without any type of product on it, especially because of we kind of scar a little bit easier, people of color, and it tends to leave some sort of hyperpigmentation or dark spots. So I would highly recommend that if you're doing this, please do it unhydrated. Just do the things I'm about to do before actually doing this. So 2 things that you can do. I've seen people shave with cleansers or soap. The way that men use soap when they shave is one thing that you can do. If you're going to do that, I highly recommend that you use a gel cleanser. For that, like maybe this CeraVe one that I have here, but I'm not going to be doing that. I am going to be using a serum, a hydrating serum. I would highly recommend that you use a serum that is suitable for your skin type, something that you have used before. So for this, I will be using Wishful's Thirst Trap serum. Okay, so I'm going to start from this side of my face first. So this is what the blade looks like, okay? Up close, this is what it looks like. And you do not want to point this downwards or point it upwards or just point it directly towards your skin. You want to go at a 45-degree angle, okay? I'm going to start from here now. I've also seen people use oil for this, but I have oily skin and I do not like putting oil, like heavy oils on my face. Just be very gentle. Can you guys see all of this? So I'm going to wipe this just in case it didn't look like anything was coming off. This is the amount of hair that just came off of my face, just from this side alone. I take my time and I'm very, very gentle with this. After that, I go in just one more time, really gently over that area. You really do not want this to hurt. I'm going to do this on the other side of my face, this side, and I'm sure that you guys can see this one a lot better. Just very gently, guys. Very, very gently. Can you guys see? Can you see this? So I know that when I started out, it did not look like I had hair on my face, right? This is everything that I got off. This is everything that just came off from my face. So once I'm done with this, I like to go in with cold water, damp washcloth, and just wipe my face. Whatever I have left on my face, just wipe it off. So after this, I like to go in with my toner again. After the water. Guys, my skin feels so soft. So soft. Right? This gives your makeup a better base to even like sit on. And to finish things up, please make sure that you go in with a moisturizer. This is my Wishful Honey Balm. I have a detailed skincare routine video here in case you guys would like to see that. Please check it. It is going to be linked in the description box. But just make sure that you hydrate, okay? So this is the way that my skin looks right now. I love the way that my skin looks right now. I like the fact that it's really, really soft to the touch. This is very good because it exfoliates as well as like shaves your face. This is a very good way to get smooth skin really quickly, especially if you have issues with texture. I love it. I love it. Remember everything that I said. If you have active breakouts, you do not want to do this on your skin at that time. 2, please do not do this on a day that you're planning to wear makeup. Just give your skin at least 24 hours before going over with makeup, and make sure that you wear sunscreen. And especially if you're going outside or you're going to be spending a lot of time under the sun, please make sure that you're consistently wearing sunscreen after this, okay? I know that some of you are wondering, will my hair grow back thicker after this? No, from personal experience, it does not. That's not the case for me. So I don't think it's something you should worry about. And I've also seen a couple of people who have done videos on this on YouTube, and everyone that I watched said that they did not have issues with their hair growing back really quickly and thicker. So I don't think it's something that you should worry about, okay? Please, at least 1 week after doing this, avoid trying out new products or using any kind of harsh chemicals or even getting into water that has a lot of chlorine in it. Just think in your mind that you've done something and that your skin, okay, needs some time. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Share it with anyone who you think will find it helpful. Subscribe to me if you are not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.